welcome to Sailing Nikau. Today we're going to explore the island of Hiva. We're going to pick up our auntie and soon we're going to be taking off to the Tuamotus. It's going to take 3 days to get there, but we've heard that it's beautiful, so we're really excited about that.
Hey, we've ventured into town, got ourselves a trusty Hilux. Look at that. Nice.
Oh, it looks super slick.
Cool. We thought we'd get one of these when we get back home as a second car, because we do a lot of property and renovations.
This will be a good experiment, see if you like it. How's this four-wheel drive?
It's pretty
a little bumpy
at cornering.
This view is something else. Hey buddy! How you doing? Look at that view. It's something else. That horse has got the best view in the world. Almost ran over horses. We're here at this lovely airport. It's very small. I think it's the smallest one I've seen. But we're gonna pick up our Auntie Sarah. We're like an hour early, so we're gonna find some Wi-Fi, hopefully some sort of fruit juice.
There is no Wi-Fi.
It's very colourful, this little airport. It's quite cute. Lots of people waiting for friends and family. There it is.
Sarah's here! Woohoo!
This is my very special baby sister Sarah, my one and only sister, and she's come to stay with us.
She's not so baby.
No, she's bigger than me actually, but I'm older technically, and she's going to come all the way to the Tuamotus with us.
Yes!
Exciting! We made it to the little village of Tuamostus, where we have got a reservation for lunch here, and it's pretty amazing.
Just come to a little restaurant on the other side of the island and they're feeding the eels. Do they eat these suckers?
Yeah, they do. He was just saying they do.
Cool.
Some sort of archaeological site. Apparently there'll be a tiki kicking around. Oh, I think I can see them. They're pretty small though.
Up in the native jungle.
Apparently they did human sacrifices here, so that's kind of cool.
Just lay them on these logs. Still burnt. Nah, it's not true at all. Don't know what those are. Oh, those are some cool tickies though. This guy here's got two lovers. I think. He's also got I think he's having a baby. There's a little man coming out there. Quite sure what's happening there. This is like a Madonna and child. It's baby Jesus.
That's a chief.
But maybe a dead child.
Child sacrifice.
Oh yeah.
Human
maybe.
sacrifices they did.
Yeah.
Apparently, that happened. I think out by the big banyan tree that we're going to go to next, there's a big flat site that they think they use for human sacrifice.
I don't know if you can see those very well, but that is spectacular. Come to this massive banyan tree. Look at the size of that. That gives you an idea of size. Look at little Davy. Big Davy at the base of that. I've remade an old village here. Pretty groovy. This is cool, guys. this whole site here for the old village.
This is an old village site. It's pretty incredible, and they've rebuilt some of the huts so we can see what it might have looked like. We've arrived at another bay on Nikau called Daniel's Bay. Looks pretty stunning so far.
Sarah and David are on the paddleboard. There's a cool manta ray and a big shark sort of swimming around. I'll throw up the drone and see if we can find it. Amazing place.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that.
So we have been stalking manta rays on the paddleboard. They're super friendly. They just come right up to us. We think they look a bit like aliens, don't we? They're pretty cool aliens though. Such a great spot, just loving it here. We're saying goodbye to the first of 3 of the Tahiti Island groups. This is the Marquesas and we're leaving that and we're going to go to the Tuamotus. It's going to be like a 3-day passage, but the tricky part is you have to arrive on a low tide. So that's why we're leaving in the morning and we're going to get there in the morning and it's going to be really awesome.
Not a low tide actually.
Changing tide.
Change of tide, what they call slack tide, which is in between, where high changes to low or low changes to high. But you also want to have really an ingoing tide obviously with you. So you've got to be the change from out to in, so that you get pushed in to these little atolls, which is basically a ring of coral with a tiny little passage. It's quite hard to negotiate, so you also want to be in the morning so the sun is at the right angle so you can see these coral bommies on the atoll floor.
Second day and we've had a speedy night.
Going too fast.
Too fast, eh baby?
I know, it's not a problem we've had before, but with the Tuamotus being so specific as to when you can arrive, we have to slow down. So we're now reefing in everything and trying to slow ourselves down.
Red is our most hardcore reef. Red means danger, but in this case it means super slow. Is this right up?
Yeah.
That's not right up. That's right up.
We got 2 hits at the same time. Really hard to bring in. What do you think they are, David?
Maybe tuna or mahi?
They're fighting. Probably tuna.
It's got a lot of kit.
It's got those stripes on it. That means it's skipjack, right?
Fucking massive skipjack.
You can eat the small ones, but
Well, let's open it up and see what it's like, otherwise it's shark bait. So I'm feeling a little bit better now. Had a bit of a shower last night, just to give you some more details. Was crazy. Squalls normally maybe increase the wind by 10 knots. We were going 11 knots, then this wall of wind and rain hit us at about 30 knots, and it didn't stop for 3 hours. And so that's why I hesitate to call it a squall, because that's not normal. But maybe it's normal around here, I don't know. If you know what that is, let me know. Because I want to prepare for the next one. So we just had to reef way down, and we had to veer off for a long way. The wind angle changed by about 50 degrees, and slowly over a 3-hour period we could come back onto course. I'm exhausted, everyone's exhausted, no one got to sleep, so we were hammering into wind 30 knots for 3 hours. If you've been on a sailboat going into wind, you know what that's like. Smashing hull down into waves, and it's pretty horrible. It was really cool. Tara came in their tender and showed us the way in, and this isn't anywhere near as hard as what a lot of the books say it is. They're not even bommies, they're like little shoals or reefs. A bommie is a small little coral head. I was really worried about it, but these things are easy to spot. Hey Bella, what's the ritual? What do we do when we come
so we
after a big
basically
passage?
do a whole bunch of cleaning, which is basically mopping the floor, wiping the seats, changing the sheets.
Nice.
That's basically everything.
And you've already desaltified, just cleaned all the floors, just cleaned the cockpit down. There's even a little bucket right here that we have to put our feet in to make sure no soap goes everywhere. What an amazing kit. So how magic is this place? So beautiful, the Tuamotus. What I'm going to do is I'll throw up the drone, and just so you can get a little bit of context of what this atoll is like. Essentially we've got, I think it's 10 miles that way, 4 miles across. The thing is just huge, lots of little motus, little islands, and all connected with one big reef system. Check it out.
Feel like I'm gonna break. Where are you? I look up at the sky. I'm searching for someone to tell me why I'm alive, even though they've said it before. So I'm just holding on, holding on. I'm just holding on, holding on. I'm just waiting for you to call. I guess I'm just holding on, holding on.
Love this episode. Next time we're gonna be cruising right around the Tuamotus. We're gonna be doing a lot of scuba diving. Amazing place for scuba diving. That's next time we're sailing Nikau. Catch you later.
Even though they've said it before, so I'm just holding on, holding on.